So there is an update on OneUI 7 drama that's been going on for quite some time. Samsung has paused OneUI 7 update in many regions after a short rollout in Korea and the US. The problem is many users who updated to stable OneUI 7 were unable to unlock their Galaxy phones. I downloaded that stable update and my Galaxy S24 shows a strange animation when locking the phone. You can see that first it shows a blank screen and after that it locks the phone. This is kind of weird, but apart from that I have no issues while locking and unlocking my Galaxy phone. With this stable update, I do have a bit of excessive battery drain and the phone sometimes gets a bit hot. While this may be there or not on your Galaxy S24 with One UI 7 update, but the thing is that Samsung has paused this update and as of now there is no information on when this update will start rolling out again. I know this year Samsung made a really bad mess regarding Android 15 update. I don't know how those 7 years of updates are going to look like. I'll keep you guys updated whenever a stable update starts rolling out again. Apart from this bad news, I do have a good news. One UI 8 update has been spotted. This update was seen being tested on a Z Flip. New features from Galaxy S25, like Now Brief, will be available to more devices with One UI 8 update. Apart from that, now you can finally download Good Lock from Google Play Store. If you don't know about Good Lock, then it's an app from Samsung that lets you customize your Galaxy like a pro. This app was not available in every region and it was only available on Galaxy Store. But now GoodLog is finally there on Google Play Store and you can simply download it from there. Check it out on your Google Play Store. I'll also drop its link down in description. So that was all about for today's episode. I'll share top things to do with One UI 7. So stay tuned. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.